Hi everyone, our today's video topic is that how you can clone any website using AI, which is 100% free. And here you can see I have copied the Nike website. Here everything is customizable and this is completely free. To clone our website, first we need to install Node.js. So we will check first that do our system have installed Node.js. For this, just type cmd here in command prompt. Just open and type node dash dash version, then enter. Then here you can see that it is showing a version, so this means our system have Node.js. And if your system don't have Node.js, just search here Node.js, then go to this link, and from here just click in download and just click in Windows installer MSI. Installing Node.js is very simple like any other software. After installing Node.js, so right now you are ready to create this website. So first we will copy the front end, then we will copy the back end. We will go to documents in new volume D. I will just create a new folder just and like copy. Okay. So here just go to the folder and type here cmd. Here you can see the project directory. Now we need to install an AI, and the AI will be OpenCode AI. So just type opencode.ai, and here in npm just copy the npm. This will help to run OpenCode in our system. Then again just open, and here just paste the npm, then just press enter. So it will just take a few seconds and the OpenCode will install in our system. So here you can see that OpenCode is installed in our system. I will just here type OpenCode, then press enter, and it will just change in few seconds. So here you can see a new interface, and here you can see that we are in build mode. The AI model we are using here is Minimax M2.5 free, and we will just change the model. So to change the model, just slash model, then just press enter. So here are a lot of AI models like Big Pickle and Minimax, and I will just choose Big Pickle right now. And here you can see that our AI model is changed. Now I will type just I want to make replica of this website, and I will just say that make sure the design is similar to this website. And here you can see that we are in build mode, and I will just tab and go to plan mode and just press enter, and this will take like 10 to 15 minutes. And also this one will ask me few questions and I will just answer. And here you can see that this one is asking me few questions that what technology stack would you prefer for this project. I will just choose that plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript. How much functional do you want versus pure visual replica? And this one is just to press confirm. Okay, just I will just press enter, then submit. Okay. Another question just which is which page do you want to include? All core pages. Okay, so now our plan is complete. So I will just say that build the website. I will just press tab, then go to build mode, then just press enter. So now this will start making the website. And here you can see that this took 1 minute 14 seconds. So here you can see it is almost complete, and just it is saying to go to in index.html to check. So we will just double click in index. Here you can see our website is complete, and this is similar to Nike website, and this is not completely copy but similar. And if you want to here bring any change, just go to OpenCode, then type, and you will be able to make any changes. Here you can see that these right here we need to just improve, and the space and trending now, if it is in center, this will look good, and spotlight the latest. So I will just also then again just go to OpenCode, and keep in mind that whenever you want to make any changes in your website, just try to explain better to AI. This will help AI to understand better that how to make changes in your website. Now I will just give prompt to make the changes in the like spotlight, the latest feature, to make changes here. Make the section, make the section title in center, like featured and the featured or others. Press enter. Okay, now here you can see that the section headers are in center. So just everything is changed by AI. Just you have to just explain that what you want actually. I want to just remove this. Here is two images at the same time, and I want to make changes here. That I want to keep only one here. That in heroes section there are two images. I want to keep the top one and remove or change the style below one. So now in hero section, the two images are removed and here is only one image. And also our front end is almost ready. And here if I check everything that our front end is ready right now. Now we need to complete the back end. And to make backend, you can use like a PHP, Django, or Laravel. But I want to keep it simple. So to keep simple, I want to use PHP. So to use PHP, you need to check in your system that is XAMPP installed or not. That here in my system, pure system don't have XAMPP. Just to go to browser, then search XAMPP, then just press enter, then go to this link. And here you can see that XAMPP for Windows, Linux or Mac. And just download and install. So after installing XAMPP, what you have to do, you have to just go to XAMPP. In XAMPP, you have to just turn on Apache and MySQL. So our task is almost finished. After you install XAMPP, just we will go to documents, and here in local disk C you can see the XAMPP folder, and here in XAMPP folder we will just search for htdocs. Here you can see htdocs. So here in htdocs, what we will do, we will just copy the folder which is here, that Nike copy. Then we will take this one. I will just copy this one, copy, and here in local disk C, in XAMPP, then again in htdocs, and here I will just paste this folder. Okay, so what we will do actually, we will here open the folder. Here we will close the previous open code. Then here in htdocs, we will just type cmd, and here in cmd just type open code. Okay, just press enter. Here in OpenCode, we will say that build an admin panel using MySQL and PHP for our website, from where we will be able to make changes of our product. We will add, delete, or update product, and also make sure that our admin panel is connected to our website. Okay, so our work is complete right now. Then just press enter, and here you can see that OpenCode has created admin panel for our website. So we will just copy the link here. I will just copy and just keep in remember that our password is admin123 and username is admin. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Just go to your browser, then just search here. Here you can see that database local connection is failed. So just I will copy and I'll just say here that database connection is failed. Can you fix? So here, if you also get any error, just say to OpenCode. So soon he will fix any error. And don't panic if you face any problem. Just every time say to OpenCode, and this one will make changes. So here right now our admin panel is ready. So I will just copy the link of our admin panel, and here just I will search that. So just here admin, and our password is admin123. Okay, then sign in, website dashboard. Okay, And here you can see that our admin panel, and here is about everything of our product. So if I want to edit here, to edit any product, here I can edit. So in product section, this one is, so add new product. And here if you want to add product, just product name, select the category, price, product. So here I will just give shows, here category man, price will be 100, and I want to just add this one image. So I have added, and description is best for running. Okay, this is just for example and mark as new arrival. Just add product. Here this one is showing that our product has been added successfully. So now I will just go to our website and just check that do our product has been added in our website. Just here I will just refresh that. Here you can see that our new product has added in our website. So this is very simple. And if you watch this complete video, I hope that you have understood that how to make a website using OpenCode and how to clone a website. So this was very simple. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.